Read. What is this? Which
Alif.
letter? Only Yusra. Alif. Alif for Yusra.
Anar.
Anar. Anar means
Pomegranate.
pomegranate. Okay. This one is
Ah.
A. And this A for
Ani.
Admi. Admi means
Man.
man. Okay, good. This one
Ba.
Ba. Ba for
Billy.
Billy means
Cat.
cat. Okay. This one is
Pa.
Pa. Pa for
Puli.
pole. Okay, good. This one is
Ta.
Ta. Ta for
Titili.
titli. Titli means
Butterfly.
butterfly. Okay. This one is
Ta.
Ta. Ta for
Topi.
topi means
Cap.
cap. Continue. Sa. Okay, what is this?
Sa.
Sa. Sa for
Summer. Summer.
summer. Sa for summer. Summer means
Fruit.
fruit. Okay. What is this?
Jean.
Gym. Gym for
Juta.
juta. Juta means
Shoe.
shoe. Okay. Good. Okay. This one is
Cha.
cha. Cha, cha for
Chabi.
chabi. Chabi means
Key.
key. Okay. Good. Next.
Ha.
Ha for
Hukba.
hokka means
Hubble bubble.
bubble bubble. Okay. This one is
Kha.
ha for
Khandan.
khandan. Okay. Khandan means
Family.
family. Okay.
Da.
Dal.
Dal.
Dal. Dal for
Dil.
dil. Dil means
Hot.
heart. Okay. This one is
Da.
dal.
Dal.
Dal. Dal for
Dakia.
dakia. Dakia means
Postman.
postman. Okay.
Da.
No. What is this? Letter?
Za.
No. This is dal. Okay. And this one is dal. And dal has one dot. So say, what is this?
Da. Zal.
Dal.
Dal.
Yes. Dal for
Dal for Zakhira.
zakhira. Zakhira means
Stock.
stock. Okay. This one is
Ra.
ra. Ra for
Rat.
rat. Rat means
Night.
night. Okay. This one is
La.
la.
Ra.
Yes. Ra. Ra for
Larka.
ladka. Again, ladka.
Larka.
Ladka means
Boy.
boy. Okay. What is this?
Za.
Za. Za for
Zebra.
zebra. Zebra means
Zebra.
zebra. Okay. This one is
Za.
za. Okay. Za for
Zahlabari.
zalah bari.
Zalabari.
Zalabari means
hailing,
hailing. Okay. What is this?
seen,
Seen. Seen for
suraj,
Suraj. Suraj is
sun,
sun. Okay. What is this?
sheen,
Sheen. Sheen for
shar,
no. Sheen for sheer.
sheer,
Sheer.
sheer,
Sheer means
sheer means lion,
no line. Okay. Good. Yes. This is
sword,
sword. Sword for
safa,
Safa. Safa means
page,
page. Okay. Good.
dog,
Zod.
dog,
Zod for
zaif,
Zaif. Zaif means
feeble,
feeble. Okay. So Zod. After Zod, what is this?
taw,
Taw. Taw for
tota,
Tota. Tota means
parrot,
parrot. Okay. Good. Next.
ra,
Za. Za for
zalim,
Zalim. Zalim is
cruel,
cool. Okay.
ah,
No. What is this?
ain,
Ain. Ain for
aurat,
Aurat. Aurat means
woman,
woman. Okay.
rain,
Ghain. Ghain for
غوبة,
no. Gubbara.
غبارة,
Gubbara means
balloon,
balloon. Okay. Good. Next.
fa,
Fa. Fa for
pouch,
Fauj.
pouch,
Fauj. Fauj means
army,
army. Okay. Good. This one.
paw,
Qaf. Qaf for
crunchy,
Qainchi. Okay. Qainchi means
scissors,
scissors. Okay.
calf,
Kaf. Kaf for
kutta,
Kutta means
dog,
dog. Okay. This one.
calf,
Gaf.
calf,
Gaf means
guy,
guy. Guy is
cow,
cow.
lamb,
This lamb. Lamb means lamb for
larka, larky,
ladka. Ladki. Who is ladki? You or Umair?
me,
Me. And Umair is
larka,
ladka. Ladka. Okay. Good. Very good. Umair, prepare. Next is you. Okay.
Okay.
जी.
ah,
Meme. Meme for
man, mother,
man. Ma.
ma,
Ma means
mother,
mother. Okay. What is this?
moon,
Noon for
nag,
nag. Nag means
cobra,
cobra. Okay. Good. Next.
wow,
Wow. Wow for
waridi,
Vardi.
wardi,
Vardi means
uniform,
uniform. Okay. Good.
ha,
Ha. Ha. Ha for
hathi,
hathi. Hathi means
elephant,
elephant. Okay. This one is
yeah,
ya. Ya for
yard,
yad. Yad means
memory,
memory. Okay. Very good. Memorize these vocab. Okay.
Hindi,
After session, we will make sentences from this vocab, inshallah. Okay,
Yeah.
so you memorize all vocab. And Umair, now your turn. Let's start.
Alif.
Alif. Alif for
Anar.
anar. Anar means
A pomegranate.
pomegranate. Okay, this one is, what is this?
A. A.
Ah. Ah for
Admi.
admi. Admi means
Man.
man. Okay, good. This one is
Ba.
ba. Ba for
Billy.
billy means
Cat.
cat. Okay, good. This one is
A pa.
pa for
A pull.
pull. Pull means
A bridge.
bridge. Okay.
Ta.
Hmm. Good.
Titli.
Titli. Titli means
A butterfly.
butterfly. Okay. This one is
Ta.
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 Ta for
Topi.
topi. Okay. Topi means
A cap.
where is your cap? Where is your topi?
Onion.
Okay, good. Your topi is red or white?
Uh, a white.
White. White in Urdu? Safed.
Uh, sapphire.
Safed. And for red, what says in red in Urdu? Yes,
Mm,
Yusra.
Lal.
Lal. Okay, good. Okay, your hijab is
mm,
lal.
ta. Lal.
Okay. Okay, Umair, what is this?
Ta.
Sa. Sa for
A summer.
summer. Summer means
Fruit.
fruit. Okay. This one is
Dream.
gym. Gym for
Juta.
juta. Juta means
Shoe.
shoe. Okay. This one is
Uh, chair. Chair.
cha. Cha for
Chabi.
chabi. Chabi means
Key.
key. Okay. This one is
Ha.
ha. Ha for
Hookah.
ha. Hoka means
Hubble bubble.
hubble bubble. Okay. This one is
Core.
ha. Ha for
Khandan.
khandan. Khandan means
Family.
family. Okay, good. This one is what is this?
Uh, Dal.
Dal. Dal for
Dill.
dil. Dil. Dil means
Heart.
where is your dil?
Mm, yeah, in my heart.
Where?
Uh, mm,
Okay. You have na?
yeah.
Okay. When you see.
Raw. Raw. Raw.
Okay. What is this?
Raw.
Dal.
Dal.
Dal. Dal for
Uh,
dal
Dakia.
for dakia. Dakia means
Postman.
do
Postman.
you know? Do you know dakia? Do you know postman?
Yeah. Who give mails to in the post in the
Letters.
letters in the
Okay. This one is what is this? Say Umair, what is this?
zo zo
Zal.
dal
Zal for
zakhira
zakhira. Okay, good. Zakhira means
stock
Stock. Okay. This one is
Raw.
Ra. Ra for
Rat.
Rat. Okay. This one is
Raw.
Ra. Ra for
Mm, Lurka.
Lalka. I am a boy.
A boy.
I am a boy. Say in Urdu.
मैं लड़का है
हूँ.
हूँ लड़का हूँ
मैं लड़का हूँ.
मैं लड़का हूँ
If you say in English, so at the time you say, I am a boy. I with am. Okay. So मैं always has हूँ. मैं लड़का हूँ. I am Umair. Say in Urdu.
हम्म, मैं 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 लड़का हूँ
नहीं. I am Umair. I am in Urdu हूँ.
जी
So say
मैं उमेर हूँ
मैं उमैर हूँ. Okay, good. Okay, what is this?
जा
Zafur.
zebra
Zebra. This one is
za
Zafur.
zalabari
Zalabari. Zalabari means
highland
hailing. Okay. This one is
scene
seen. Seen for
suraj
Suraj. Where is Suraj?
up in the sky
Up in the sky. Not on the earth?
mm, yeah.
No. Okay. Suraj upon the sky. Okay. What is this?
A sheen
Sheen. Sheen for
uh, share
share. Share means
lion
lion. Where is lion?
in the jungle
In the jungle.
and in
Not garden.
savannah
Huh?
at in the in Sahara
Okay. Sheen for share. Share means lion. Okay. This one is
sword
sword. Sword for
suffer
sword. Sorry. Sword for
suffer
Safa.
suffer
Safa. Where is your Safa?
mm,
Do
here
you have Safa?
J
Where is?
uh,
Show me
mm,
Safa. Where is Safa?
here
Show me.
here
Okay. Very good. This is Safa. Okay. Safa means
a page
page. Safa. Page is white. Say in Urdu.
uh, yeah yeah page white hole
Sorry. Page is white. Say in Urdu.
yeah
What
page
what says page in Urdu?
mm, yeah suffer
Safa. Safa and white for
yeah yeah suffer white
white. White. What says white in Urdu? I
mm,
told you. Okay, Yusra. Say oh, page is white.
Yep.
Safar.
ये सफा
White for सफेद.
Yeah.
ये सफा सफेद
सफेद है.
Okay.
सफेद है
Not red. Say in Urdu. Not red.
नहीं लाल है
Okay. Good. नहीं लाल है. लाल नहीं है.
लाल नहीं है
Okay. Umair. Say what is this?
Zod.
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 Zod for
Uh, mm,
Zod for
Zalif.
no. Zalim no. It's
Mm,
feeble, huh? Feeble. How can
uh, za,
yes
za,
the
Zalif.
Zaif. No
Zaif.
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 Okay. Yes. After Zod, this
Uh,
is
To.
Tha. Tha for
Mm, Tuta.
Tota. Tota means
Parrot.
parrot. Okay. This one is
Zo.
Za for
Zalim.
Zalim. Zalim means
Mm, Cruel.
cruel. Who is cruel?
Uh,
You or Yusra?
no one is
Okay. This one is
Ain.
Ain. Ain for
Aurat.
Aurat. Aurat means
Woman.
woman. Okay. This one is
Rain.
Gain for
Gub. Gubara.
Gubbara. Gubbara means
Balloon.
okay. This one is
Fa.
Fa. Fa for
Pouch. Pouch.
Fauj.
Pouch.
Repeat again. Fauj.
Pouch.
Okay. This one is
Cough.
Qaf. Qaf for
Fainty.
Kainchi. Kainchi means
Scissor.
scissors. Okay. This one is
Cough.
Kaf for
Uh, Put. Kutta.
Kutta. Kutta means
Dog.
dog. Okay. This one is
Gaff.
Gaf for
Uh, Guy.
guy. Guy means
Cow.
cow. Okay. This one is
Lamb.
lam for
Larky.
Yusra is girl. Say in Urdu.
Yeah. Yusra. Larky. Who?
Hey
Hey.
is in Urdu hai and am is Urdu who. Like I am a boy. So say in Urdu, I am a boy.
Mm,
For
yeah.
am used हूँ and for is used है. मैं लड़का हूँ. युसरा लड़की है. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this?
Meme.
Meme for
Man.
ma.
Ma.
Ma means
Mother.
mother. Okay. This one is
Noon.
known for
And Nag.
nag. Where is nag?
Uh, uh, in the,
Forest, jungle, in forest.
yeah.
Okay. What is this?
Oh wow.
Wow means wow for
Uh, va, Vardi.
worthy.
Vardi.
Okay. This one is
Mm, ha.
ha for
Hathi.
hathi. Hathi means
Elephant.
elephant. This one is
Yeah.
ya for
Mm, elephant. I mean, memory.
ya for say in Urdu memory.
Yard.
Yad. Yad means memory. So याद करो. याद करो means memorize.
Yeah.
Okay, Yusra. Okay, now your homework is uh, these are vocab, right? Tota, Salim, Aurat, Gubbara, Fauj, Qainchi. These are vocab.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
make sentences from every vocab,
Yeah.
from every word. Make sentences, right? Okay, write and share with me.
Yeah.
Alif, alif to ya.
As you wanna.
Got it?
What?
Yeah.
Write a sentence from this vocab alif to ya and share with me.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any query?
Nay.
Nahi. Umair, you? Do you
Mm,
want to ask anything?
Nay.
Nahi.
Nay. Nay.
Okay. याद करो vocab and
Yeah.
लिखो sentences हर एक vocab से और मुझे भेजो.
G.
Gimana?
What said I?
Memorize the work Molana gave.
Okay. Memorize these vocab and
Make sentences from Alif to Ya.
yes and
And say
And memorize.
and send Molana. To Molana.
send Maulana. Who is Maulana? Umair Maulana.
Uh,
Yes, inshallah, one day I will be Maulana.
yeah.
Inshallah. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullah.
Warahmatullah.